surprisingly, for this thing not being on the road in I don't know how many years, this thing's actually not doing too terrible. You're hearing probably a lot of wind noise because I don't have an intake for the center tunnel or anything on, which is all back there. But guys, we are out and about in Project RJ. Driving down the road, like the wheel's not even super bouncy or anything. Like, this is freaking cool. I am so glad that Vince got this project, and I can't wait to get this to Vince so we can just have some fun with it. Corvette I race. You guys already know what time it is. Knivesdeal.com. For 10% off, use promo code SendItSteve, all one word. These knives are just freaking killer, guys. I know you guys love them. You guys have been buying it up, and I really appreciate the support. So does Knivesdeal.com. Thank you for checking it out again. SendItSteve, all one word, 10% off. Welp. RJ strikes again. Got a little bit of a walk. That's all I ever show the YouTube is failure. Definitely. I don't know why I get myself in these kind of projects. Walking home. Whew. Well, about to cross an intersection. Let's keep going. Almost home now at this point. Thanks, Vince. I really appreciate you guys. Now's a good time to head on over to Tunnel Chaser's channel and tell him that I really appreciate his friendship and him purchasing this van. Thanks, bud. Got my cardio in for the day. Keep plugging and chugging. We're on the home stretch. I can see the truck. Well, we took the battery out of the Corvette there. Obviously, we're going to jump in Old Reliable here, and we're going to go and see if we can't recover the van. Turn my copyright infringement off. Let's go get the van. RJ, here I come. Well, it would appear as if we have somebody over here at RJ. How's it going? Good. Out for a test drive if you didn't forget. Definitely. Oh man, trying to make it roadworthy and everything, and I think the only make it fit. I'll grab another battery and at least make it right over the other way. I live right by Turkey Hill. Okay. Well, I was gonna leave a note, but I had nothing in there. Oh yeah, I was like, where's that van doing? Yeah. And then of course there's no plate on it. I was like, oh man, I gotta hurry up. I just walked down.
Well, my name's Father Chris.
I'm Steve.
Steve, do you need like a ride or anything?
I should be good. I mean, if I can get, I got another battery in the back. As long as I can get it in and it drives, I'm gonna drive that home and then I'll come back to this. So, yeah. I just want to get it home, but I really appreciate it.
No, I appreciate you being here and coming back for it.
Definitely. Yeah, I was like, man, that thing looks like it's gonna be an abandoned vehicle. Like, I need to hurry up.
Then I'm like,
I even left the key in it too. Well, that was pretty cool. So he said, you know, he's a pastor here. So he said, if I can't get it going, I'm more than welcome to leave it here. So again, I really appreciate it. But we should be able to go. I got the battery out of the Corvette. We're going to pull this battery out and hopefully find the issue here. But we're going to see if we can't make it back to the house on the good C5 battery. Since we know the C5's charged up and ready to rock, let's get her swapped out. Oh, well, that other one's gonna be a treat to get in and out because there's no actual handle. But you gotta do what you gotta do. There's no whining in baseball. Let's just make it happen. All right, moment of truth. Nope, we probably have another underlining error issue, and that's a little frustrating. Well, let's go get jumper cable, see if that'll do it. Well, we tried the old jump start thing, but that ain't gonna happen. So my buddy Chandler's here. I appreciate you. Yeah. Well, we're gonna flat tow it with a chain.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, well, let's get everything closed up here, and we'll just pull it back with the F450. It's not very far. It's only about 2 miles, so let's just have some fun. Well, we got Chandler in the A-Team van. He doesn't know how to work the handle. You gotta pull it towards that way and then lift up. He doesn't know how to get out. You gotta like pull it and then up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just telling them that we got a hybrid on our hands. Every started there and everything. So
Definitely.
Right now I'm just ready to go. So.
Well, enjoy your ride.
I will.
It's a little bouncy.
Definitely.
It's bizarre.
Yeah.
You're gonna like it.
All right.
Well, we got a chain. This can't be legal, but let's just get her home.
Got a hybrid over here. Look at that. It started. I can't even roll down the window.
Pull it towards that way and then lift up.
What?
How to get out. You gotta like pull it and then up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just telling them that we got a hybrid on our hands. I already started it and everything, so I'm in gear right now. I'm just waiting to go. So.
Well, enjoy your ride.
I will.
It's a little bouncy.
Definitely
It's
is.
bizarre.
Yeah.
You're gonna like it.
All right. Definitely purrs like a kitten. Steering could be better.
Corvette I race. Just out for a little Sunday drive and towing my van around. Well, we're just gonna use the F450 to push this monstrosity up and into the yard.
That sounds like a great idea. You're running over cars in your driveway and you want to push this van up and record it, like you joking me?
Andy, I wasn't really thinking about it, okay? You know when you just want to get something done? Like, that's all I wanted was to get this van to the house.
Think about it, man.
All right, guys, well, we have the van back here. I got to give a huge thank you to Chandler for helping me to get it back. But the F450 obviously is the awesome recovery vehicle. As you can tell, it pulled it back here with ease. So now we're gonna diagnose this tomorrow, and I'll probably toss it in the video if I do get it, if it's something simple. If not, I will be making another video about what is actually wrong with RJ. But I had a good time. As you can tell, it did run and drive for a while. But you know, it's part of buying a junker like this. You know, you got to work all the bugs out of it and get it running top shape before you can, you know, make long trips and shit like that. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Take care, guys. All right, this is a little extreme, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, look at the, ow.
Dude, what are you doing?
Ow.
Close your window.